Here are 5 most beautiful places in India. Kashmir Valley, Jammu and Kashmir, often referred to as paradise on earth. The Kashmir Valley is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty, including snow-capped mountains, pristine lakes, and lush green valleys. Udaipur, Rajasthan, known as the city of lakes and Venice of the East, Udaipur is famous for its picturesque lakes, grand palaces, and intricate architecture. Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, a high-altitude desert region, Ladakh offers mesmerizing landscapes with its rugged mountains, serene monasteries, and clear blue skies. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi, one of the oldest cities in the world, is considered the spiritual heart of India. Munnar, Kerala, nestled in the Western Ghats, Munnar is a hill station known for its rolling hills